I don't know if the person camera, if you can capture this when they
Biramo hari abantu bari kubikurikirana kuri YouTube.
Can
Na
you?
nadufasha tubwire ko ari kubabona neza, niba atabona bazamuke hejuru. Biko sawa? Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Anna?
Ndumva nta musobanuzi dukeneye. Akaduhereza undi mikrofone.
Join on the to get kubagezaho amazina yacu bicaye mu gatungo bazisukura turibuka Famiye Minyati, Faustin Minyati, Kadafi Minyati, Merewe Neza Minyati, Jewe na bagenzi banje tugiye kubagezaho amazina y'abacu bicaye mu gatungo bazisukura turibuka Famiye Minyati, Faustin Minyati, Kadafi Minyati, Merewe Neza Minyati, Nyanume Minyati, Famiye Rutekereza, Jacques Rutekereza, Mushambaro Rutekereza, Igiraneza Rutekereza, Nyamasuso Rutekereza, Ndatabaye Rutekereza, Nyazahabu Rutekereza, usaba turibuka.
Nyamuryango Rutekereza, Famiye Gasosi, Gasosi Eraste Byango, Perusi Gasosi, Nyahumure Gasosi, Bahoza Gasosi, Debora Gasosi. Famiye Nyamusore, Nyamusore Karaha, Debora Nyamusore, Ntarutwa Nyamusore, Kayonga Nyamusore.
Ngezayi Nyamusore, Bebe Nyamusore, Famiye Rukamirwa, Oze Rukamirwa, Marisiyana Rukamirwa, Bisetsa Rukamirwa.
Emegatoni, Miryango Muhimuzi, Elias Muhimuzi, Munoni Muhimuzi, Merewe Neza Muhimuzi, Umuryango wa Shemu, Masaneza Muhimuzi, Shemu, Esperance Shemu, Semu, Umuryango wa Sean, Masegabano Sean, Nyakiza Sean, Musa Sean.
Amani Sean, Nyahoza, Umuryango wa Kasa, Nyahoza Kasa, Ziraje Kasa, Janet Kasa, Yvonne Kasa, Baby Kasa, Famiye Bitati, Thomas Bitati, Eric Bitati, Dudu Bitati, Nyahoza Saroti.
Famiye Zaroti, Nyahoza Zaroti, Bebe Zaroti, Famiye Kanyabitabo, Odia Kanyabitabo, Neza Kanyabitabo, Famiye Musafiri Oga, Chantal Musafiri Oga, Nyamugisha Oga, Pansia Musafiri. Famiye Gapingi, Nyabihogo Gapingi, Claude Gapingi, Gisele Gapingi.
Lydia Musafiri, Samuel Musafiri, Famiye Mandevu, Lea Mandevu, Muhorana Mandevu, Famiye Butoto, Cheche Butoto, Fisto Butoto, Mpenzi Butoto, Famiye Mahinga, Munezero Muhire, Nyabyinshi Muhire, Famiye Mukwiye, Uziya Gashinga Mukwiye, Ndari Mukwiye, tuzahora turibuka.
Lucy Mukwiye, Daniel Mukwiye, Famiye Gaturuturu, Zera Gaturuturu.
Muhuza Felix Ruganzu, Full Time Baby, Famiye Sebahire, Murekatete Sebahire, Patrick Sebahire, Kadada Sebahire, Famiye Muyengeza, Nyarukundo Muyengeza, Rusengo Muyengeza, Musore Muyengeza.
Famiye Manaragaba, Guru Manaragaba, Ndayisenga Manaragaba, Ange Manaragaba. Famiye Ntwari, Paulina Ntwari, Jean Ntwari, Famiye Gishoma, Asekafu Gishoma, Funda Shoma, Famiye Gikungu Rwamanzi, Bigugu Fabienne Asante, Bigugu Didier Bigugu, famiye ya Nezerwa, Mugiraneza Runezerwa, bose Runezerwa.
Beju Runezerwa, famiye Muvange Simone, Munezero Muvange, Edward Muvange, Mama Muvange, famiye Maronko Kagigi, Zera Maronko, Nyambo Maronko, Jane Maronko, Shatse Maronko.
Famiye Serugarukira, nabitanga Serugarukira, Nyantubuka Serugarukira. Famiye Runagana, Manase Runagana, Katerina Runagana, Mukobwa Runagana. Famiye Gasungunu, Sonia Gasungunu, David Gasungunu. Famiye Gakazi, Inese Ngakaji Bwana, Emmanuel Ngakazi, Daniel Ngakazi. Famiye Kalala, Nakiza Kalala, Nezia Ngwambi Kalala.
Famiye Ngirabakunzi, Nyakakobwa Ngirabakunzi, Bebe Ngirabakunzi, Famiye Gasore Bunana, Mukunde Gasore, Famiye Munyakuri, Deborah Mukobwa Jana Munyakuri, Famiye Rugenza, Jeannette Murora Isaac, Famiye Ndagiro, Odia Ndagiro, Famiye Gahakane, Mado Gahakane, tuzaba tubibuka.
Famiye Gafita, Nyamubyeyi Gafita, Famiye Zuzi, Nyamunezero Zuzi, Famiye Ruganza, Kajeyi Ruganza, Famiye Muzuri, Ndayishimiye Muzuri, Famiye Rushaga, Nyamajana Rushaga, Famiye Rugabo, Nyangore Rugabo, Famiye Kazingo, Bizimana Kazingo.
Famiye Seruhungu, Nyamatungo Seruhungu, Famiye Maria, Sifa Maria, Famiye Ndakanirwa, Andre Ndakanirwa, Famiye Bizimana, Kazingo Bizimana, Famiye Nzungu, Michel Nzungu, Famiye Rusekeza, Gikwerere Rusekeza.
Famiye Nyantonesha, Famiye Ruhumuriza, Nyagirundo Ruhumuriza, Famiye Afande Runyonyo, Sekedi Rwigema, Semuhoza, Mugiraneza Basarari.
Famiye Rwibagiza, Espar Rwibagiza, Famiye Michael Zikama, Murorunkweri Michael Zigama, Famiye Semukazanya, Niyitanga Semukazanya, Famiye Sekabumba Rodrigue Niyonkuru Sekabumba. Babembe Community Care Living with Banyamulenge, Famiye Nyapamba, Sadiki Nyapamba, Bahati Nyapamba, Famiye Lulinda, Abwe Paulo Lulinda, Delfina Byamunone, Famiye Batubula, Regina Batubula.
Famiye Aochi, Leo Aochi. Famiye Bokeo, Asukulu Bokele. Famiye Mbelechi, Insha Mbelechi. Famiye Walukele, Lukele Walukele. Famiye Mambo, Angalisho Mambo. Famiye Sumari, Evariste Sumari. Famiye Kiza, Janete Kiza. Famiye Wisumbelo. Famiye Ndaro na Naramirenge Ndaro.
Twibuke twiyubaka.
Barakoze cyane aba bantu. Barakoze cyane kudusomera amazina.
Thank you so much for reading the names.
aya ni amazina y'abantu 166 bapfuye mu Gatumba.
These are the names of 166 people who died in Gatumba.
Ni nabo baduteranyije uyu munsi.
And they're the people that have gathered us here.
Nubwo twibuka n'abandi batandukanye.
Even though we are commemorating others, but the main people are these ones.
Twaje kunamira.
These are the people that we are commemorating for.
No guha agaciro kabo.
And to give them the honoring that they deserve.
Kuba twicaye mahanga cyangwa turi hano niyo mpamvu.
Being here, that's the reason.
Tugeze mu wundi mwanya mwiza.
We have reached another moment.
Tugiye umwanya wo kubibuka.
We are going to remember them or honor them.
No gucana urumuri rw'icyizere.
We are going to light the candles of hope.
Pastor Musore yabivuze.
Pastor Musore said it.
Yavuze ko nubwo bari bapfuye.
Even though those died,
ariko abana basize n'abagabo.
But the kids they left now they are men.
Abadamu bapfakazi basize n'abagabo babashukurira abana neza.
The wives that they were left, they raised up their kids.
Dufite icyizere kandi turakomeje kugira icyizere.
We have hope and we still have hope.
Tugiye gusaba bano basore bacu bagihagaze hano.
We are going to ask our youth as they stand here.
Abandi basore bagenzi babo bapfuye.
There are other youths that died.
Bagiye guhagarara habahagarariye mu basore.
They are going to stand here to represent the youth.
Dusabe perezida wacu cyangwa se komite.
Ask our president or the committee.
Y'ineza yacu bose uko ari batatu batambuke.
As they are to come here.
Ndatekereza ko wowe nabo baza hano hejuru.
I think for them they may come and stand here.
Reka mwihute ndabona.
Hurry up.
Reka dusabe n'umuyobozi w'abamama bacu.
Let's also ask our leader of our female so they can come forward and also can present the leader of women. Let's also ask Pastor David to come forward. Let's also ask the kid that was chosen to represent the kids. Who was the kid that was asked to represent the kids? Any kid could come. Let's ask. Let's ask everyone to stand up. Let the president. At the time of lighting this candle, we are going just to click. Once you click it on this other side, it's going to light. Let's ask our president to come and to come and help us or lead us in lighting this candle. We are all going to light the candle to remember our colleagues. You can also do the same thing. Let's take one moment to honor the people that left us. Thank you. Thank you so much. You may sit.